Edit. Verb. Prepare written material for publication by writing. Edi. Prepare written material for publication by correcting, condensing, or otherwise modifying it. Number 1. Choose material for a movie or a radio or TV program and arrange it to form a coherent whole. Select, choose, assemble, or organize, put together, arrange, rearrange. Number 2. Change text on a computer. Correct, check, copy, edit, improve, revise, amend, polish, modify, adapt, rewrite, reword, rework, publication, shorten, condense, cut, average, approve, censor, redact, clean up, iron out, select, choose, assemble, organize, put together, arrange, rearrange. Be editor of a newspaper or magazine. Number 1. Be the editor of, control the content of, control, direct, run, manage, be in charge of, be responsible for, be at the helm of, be chief of, head, lead, supervise, superintend, oversee, preside over, be the boss of, head up. Extra synonyms for the verb form of edit. The strongest matches. Adapt, alter, analyze, annotate, arrange, assemble, censor, choose, compile, compose, delete, prepare, publish, rearrange, revise, select. Strong matches. Amplify, assign, blue pencil, butcher, check, condense, correct, cut, discard, doctor, draft, amend, excise, feature, fine-tune, finish, massage, polish, prescribe, proofread, rectify, redact, regulate, rehash, reprise, report, scrub, style, tighten, trim. Strongest opposites: disarrange, disorder, disorganize, disperse, disturb, scatter, separate. Strong opposites: indulge, keep, ruin, spoil, worsen.